Guys, gals, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have something rare. It's a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, but this is the SX model. What that means is that there's only 357 of these puppies ever built in 1971. Let's check it out. Let's move further. This one here's got a 455 motor. You got power steering. You got power disc brakes, factory air conditioning, as you can see. Nice, clean, original engine compartment, upgraded brand new interstate battery. Paint on the car, I would say very good condition. I will point out any and if any scratches. I know of one, which I'll point out to you guys during the course of the video. But it is original, as you can see here. Factory white car. Paint is really nice on the car. I mean, it is really, really nice. You can ready for car shows. The guy that previously owned this car is a local guy, banker, and told us that it's very reliable, runs, drives, stops, everything functions on the Olds as well. So as you can see, it's got that factory appearance. Chrome on the car is really, really nice, okay? Wheels are original to the vehicle. There is the SX, excuse me, stamping. I don't see any rust bubbles anywhere, any paint bubbles. I don't see anything like that. And like I said, I know of one scratch I am going to show you, and something else. Nothing major, but something else. Over here, the M is missing. It probably fell off. So you'll have to get that, okay? I'm sure that's an easy item to get on eBay. The reflection on this thing is really nice, as you can see. Stance appears to be original as far as suspension, and it does feel good going down the road. Look at that. Glass, trim, weather stripping, all in good condition. Okay. So moving forward, wanted to share with you guys a little bit more information. Here you have the inner and outer door jambs that look good, solid as well. Okay, door lips look great as well, and door jambs, as you can see the weather stripping there. Factory interior, bucket seats, console. Odometer is 105,000 miles. Very well maintained car. You got tilt wheel. You got the power top there. Windshield wipers, gauges, heat, air conditioning, radio with 8-track. And yes, the Beatles 8-track does come with the car. There is the dash that looks excellent to the car. Let's get to the trunk. I want you guys to see that. It does appear to be original as well. There's a lot of documentation with the car. Here's your information in regards to certified miles on the car and what year or so forth. SX car registry. It belongs to it as well. And here's all of the information and all of the documentation, what this car has gone through, okay? A couple little awards there, plaques, and it's very clean in here, as you can see. Underneath is very solid. Always garage kept. Black vinyl top in very good condition. You can see the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. And there you have it. So what I'm going to do is fire up the car. I want you guys to hear it. It does sound great. Runs great. Very reliable, like I said earlier. Easy start. Really don't have to pump the gas any. Starts right up. There's your tilt wheel. Horn works. Wipers function as they should. Lights work. Turn signals, as you can see. Yes, the radio does function along with the 8-track. This is Dad's setup with his and her shifter, guys, the dual gate, where you can manually shift the car from 1, 2, 3, or just put it in drive and go. Well, there you have it. Even the clock works. Yes. When was the last time you heard that in a 1971 model? And the hat does come with the car. Let me shut the lights off here. If you need financing, you will need about 10% down. Terms are tailored around your income and your debt, just to make sure that it's affordable, comfortable monthly payment, no prepayment penalty. But if you have a credit score, so credit scores do start at about 650 up to 799 with 10% down. Anything over that, 800 plus, we have a no money down option. Rates across the board start at about 6.94%, and it goes up from there based off your credit history profile, length of term, etc., etc. If you need delivery to your driveway, you can call or text me anytime. I do prefer text message. You can send me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas, and I'm coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois, in showroom number 1, where we have over 200 beautiful hand-picked cars ready for sale. So again, my number is 847-848-1850. You can text me your zip code. Thank you, and have a great day.